Hi, my name is Mohammad Abdullah and today the video is about the rod cutting problem. It is a quite a good algorithm for deep understanding for the dynamic programming approach. It is based basically on the dynamic programming approach. We will make a video on about dynamic programming later in this course, but today our main goal is to discuss about the rod cutting problem. Suppose in the industry we have a given rod of some length n, and we are said that we have to maximize the profit. We have to maximize the profit. How can we do that? What do you mean by this maximization in industry? Or for example, if a company has a length of a rod and they have different variants of prices. For example, if a rod, this is basically a price chart by the company. So here I mentioned size as well, size and then price. So it is given 1 2 3 4. I will explain you what basically this means. 5 7 8. Basically this chart is elaborating that if the length is of a rod is 1, we are going to make profit of 2 units, but if the length is 2, we are going to make 5 units, so on. So if a length of 4, then we are going to make 8 units. So basically this problem says if we have x length of a rod, then how we can get the maximum profit referring to this scale. So it has basically two approaches. Number one is by recursion, and the another one is by the dynamic programming. So this approach takes O of 2 raised to the power n, but this takes O of the n square. Okay? So exactly we are going to use the dynamic problem approach in the rod cutting problem. So we by using rod cutting technique. So we will take an example and then I will solve by dp. So this is a problem that this is a given chart of prices that a company has offer. For example, if we have 2 units, we will sell it for 3. If we have 5 units, we will sell it for 9 units. So we have a rod of length 6. Length is equal to 6. We have to maximize this profit by this 6 length rod using this table. So I am maintaining a dp table here and we will fill this one side by side. Okay, so number one, dp table is filled by bottom to up approach. That means we will start from 1 all the way to 5. So first take n is equal to 1. We have length 1. Refer this table, we will get a maximum profit of 2. We will fill it in the dp table, right? 2. So n is equal to 2. In this case we have two scenarios. We can sell it 1 1 or we can sell it for 2. If we go for 1 1, then we can have 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 by this price chart, and if we go for 2, then we can have 3. So 3. So we have maximum of 4, which can be done by 1 1. So in the dp table I am going to write the profit 4. Here we can write for you as you can see in the table. So if we go for n is equal to 3, when we go for n is equal to 3, there are these possible combinations. We can go for 3 single unit blocks, 2 1, or we can sell the entire 3. In this scenario we will get 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 units of profit. In this scenario we can have, so now you can see here we will refer to the dp table. For the length 2 price, we will see we have a value against length is equal to 2. We have a value of 4. So we can write 4 plus 2. Here we go. Also we have the value of 6. And for the 3 we refer here 7. So the maximum is 7. We can fill this in the dp table. Okay, and also I'm using the same paper now. For n is equal to 4, we can have 1 1 1 1. We can here 2 1 1 2 2 3 1 and an entire 4. So these are all the possible ways we can cut the rod of length is equal to 4 to attain the maximum profit. So for 1 we have 2 and we have 4 blocks, so it will be equal to 8. For this one 2 is 4 plus 2 plus 2, here is 8 as well, and here goes 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, 3 is 7 plus 2 9, and for 4 we go for this price chart, which is 8. So maximum is 9, and in the DP table we can fill up 9. So for length 5, n is equal to 5, the number of possible ways are 1 1 1. We can break it into 5 parts, each of one length. Then we can break this as 2 2 1. Then we have an option of 3 and 2. Then we can go for 3 1 1. Also we can go for 4 1, and then an entire unit of 5. So these are all the possible ways we can cut this rod into the respective subunits. For this subunit we will have 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. This subunit refer to 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. For this subunit 2 to 1, we will get 4 plus 4 plus 2, here is also 10. 3 is 7 and 2 is 4, here we will get 11, and 3 1 1, here we go 7 plus 4 11 as well. 4 1, we will go 9 plus 2 11, and a 5 is use the chart, we can get 9 9. So this will be 11 is the maximum possible option, and we can see 11 is the answer. So now if this is your assignment to find the for the length is equal to 6, I have filled up for the length is equal to 5. So you have to find what will be the length is equal to 6 will give the maximum profit. So this is up for today's video. We will meet in another topic with another approach with another better option. So till then, like and subscribe, and goodbye.